And we are back with another video. Alright guys, it's your boy Young P-Town, Mr. Kicks and Fits. I am back with another video. So as y'all can see from the title of this video, yes, your boy hit on the shock drop. Yeah. So as y'all see, I did hit on that drop. So yes, and a little story about that. Yeah, so Shot Drop came out last Thursday at 2 p.m. I woke up at 2:02 and I saw the first thing I did was check my phone and saw that the J23 app had already sent out a link saying that the shoes were live on Nike sneakers app. So I was like, all right, they're probably gone. I ain't gonna be able to get them, but I tried anyway. Persistence is the key, guys. So I did try on there and I was able to get in, went through, clicked on my size, checked out, and I got the pairs. So here we are, and here's the box. Size 10 personal pair, the OG box. Got you just do it right there and everything. So let's open them up. Nike sent me my receipt this time. Good job, Nike. Comes with this card right here. I'm not going to read it. Y'all can read that and pause the video if you want to read it. As you see, you got your little lot number right here. Quality control sticker right here. And let me lower this a little bit. Right there, as y'all see that. And the shoe should come in black paper right here, like covering the shoe. But like I said, I've been messing around with them and reshooting this video and stuff. So here we go. Wow. So here we go. So yes, we're going to do a comparison because I have the 2012 pair as well, but I will bring that over in a moment. So let's talk about this first. So as y'all see, first thing you notice is the high cut patent leather here. And then as you see, it got the white ribbing around it, just like it did in 96. It does come with peaks. Let's look at them. One right here. One, let me move that right there. And then one on this side. I did notice this right here. It wasn't cut flush on my pair, but I'm just, pointing it out, showing y'all. Like, there's over, I believe, 2 million of these made, so not every pair is going to come pristine. So just showing y'all that. The insole here has Nike Air on it. The shoe tree, or the shoe inserts. Let me pull it out. There you go. It's just your true red and carbon fiber right here. Yeah, we all always do that. I don't know why we do it, but we just do. So yeah, the carbon fiber right there. So that is pretty much it as far as this goes. So now we're going to head into the comparison. So what I'm going to do is the right shoe that you see in my hand right now, that is going to be, this shoe right here is going to be the 2019 pair. And then the left shoe I pull out is going to be the 2012 pair. This is the 2012. This is the 2019. So as y'all see already on the 2012 pair, as you see, low cut patent leather, high cut patent leather. I'll try to get them together so you can see it at the same time. Yeah, high cut right here, low cut. So yeah, so like that. So on the 2019 pair, as you see, the Jumpman is going with the shoe. On the 2012 pair, the Jumpman is going away from the shoe. So that's a difference. The 23s in the back are different. This 23 is like, it's smaller and this 23 right here is bigger. This is the 2012 pair. This is a 2019 pair. As you see, the 23s are different. Also, the tongues are different. The 2019 pair, as y'all see, it's a curled tongue. The 2012 pair is a flat tongue, and it's bigger. This one is smaller and curled. The inside, take the inserts out. Like I showed already, this has Nike Air. This one right here, the 2012 pair, has the Jordan Jumpman on it. Also, the carbon fiber is different. This is the 2012 pair. As you see, that carbon fiber is like grayed out, where on the 2019 pair, it's not. It's more, it's exposed, it's lighter, it's not grayed out. The shoe trees, I'm gonna have to take a picture of it, but the 2019 shoe tree is like, it's just a solid color. This one is red. This is the 2012 pair. It's red as well, but it has a shimmer. To it. I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna insert it right here so y'all can see the difference of them right there. Now, like I said, we already talked about the cuts. I believe that's pretty much all the differences, you know, right there. But the cut of the shoes, the 2019 pair is slightly higher. Let's see. As you can see, the 2019 pair is right here. It's slightly higher than the 2012 pair, and it's kind of narrow too. But that could be because it's not fully unlaced, but it is a narrow cut. Whereas the 2012 pair, which is in my hand right here, it's a wider cut. But yeah, as far as how they both feel, they feel the same. It feels like it's the same shoe. Whereas it was a different comparison in my with the Concords. The Concord from 2018 feels different than the Concord from 2011. But these, as far as just feel touching them, they feel exactly the same. And yeah, man, that is that. So yeah, that's going to be it, guys. That's pretty much all the differences on these two shoes. It's this silhouette right here, man, that makes Jordan so iconic. This silhouette is what made them iconic. The Jordan 3 is what saved the brand, but this is what solidifies the brand and makes it iconic. I do believe this is the shoe of the year. This is my favorite 11 right here. You know, it was lovely to see Jordan rocking these boys in '96, bringing that chip back to Chicago after him taking his 2 years off from playing baseball. And yes, Jordan is the GOAT, guys. Y'all already know. It's no debating it. As you see right here, this tag, I forgot to read it. It just says quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. And yes, Jordan is the greatest player ever. He is the GOAT. Don't at me. I'm just speaking facts. And with that being said, that is going to end this video. So if you like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Once I reach 500 subs, I will be doing a giveaway. You don't want to miss that. So sub up to your boy so we can get there faster and get that giveaway popping. And with that being said, we out. Peace.